Magic. Love magic is high voltage, turning the wheels that keep us dancing in an arena of love. Love magic is our pulse. Real stone cold love that turns to warm love magic. Before you can love, you got to love thyself. And some say love can be brutal sometimes. To the shore, dressed in white, we dipped our heads in clear waters, and the truth that washed away our fears and jealousies. And this time we had freedom.